this video, I'll be discussing on factoring polynomials with difference of two squares. So the factors of difference of two squares is the product of two binomials, which is the sum and difference of its square root of each term. So we're going to have this formula: a squared minus b squared. The factor of that one will be quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a minus b. So what you're going to do here is you will just extract the square roots of each term. So square root of a squared is a, square root of b squared is b, and you're going to express or write the two as sum and difference. Now let's have here the steps in factoring the difference of two squares. So first, take the square roots of the two terms, and second is you're going to write the product of the sum and difference of the square roots. So let's have an example here. Example number 1. Factor a squared minus 4b squared using the difference of two squares method. So again, the first step is you're going to take the square roots of the two terms. So we're going to take first the square root of a squared. The square root of a squared is a. 4b squared, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of b squared is b. So I have here first, or the square root of first term is a, and square root of the second term 4b squared is 2b. Now for the second step is you're going to write the product of the sum and difference of the square roots. So what you're going to do is you're going to write this one as sum and difference. So we're going to have here a, then plus 2b times the quantity of a minus 2b. So this will be our answer. This is the factor of a squared minus 4b squared. Now example number 2, factor x squared minus 25. Step 1, let's have here square root of x squared is x, and square root of 25 is 5. So for the second step, we're going to express the two as sum and difference. So we're going to have here x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 5. So this will be our answer. Let's have example number 3, x squared minus z squared. So first step, square root of x squared is x, and the square root of z squared is z. So second step, we're going to write this one as sum and difference of two terms. So we're going to have x plus z times the quantity of x minus z. And example number 4, factor 4b squared minus 9c squared. So first step, let's have the square root of 4b squared. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of b squared is b. So square root of 4b squared is 2b. And the square root of 9c squared. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of c squared is c. So square root of 9c squared is 3c. Second step, let's write this one as product of sum and difference of the two terms. So we're going to have here quantity of 2b plus 3c times the quantity of 2b minus 3c. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about this topic, please comment below, and see you next time.